In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checkmark in Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll be able to place clean, precise checkmarks anywhere you need them in a PDF, whether you're reviewing a document or completing a digital form. First, launch Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Any recent version will work, and the layout is similar whether you're using the standard Acrobat app or the free reader. Give it a moment to load so all the tools are available along the top and the right-hand panel. Next, open a PDF you want to mark up. You can use any file, perhaps a form with empty checkboxes or a list you need to verify. If Acrobat opens to the home view, click to open your file from recent, or choose the option to browse your device and select your sample PDF. Once it's open, make sure you can clearly see the area where a checkmark should go. Zoom in if the boxes are small. Now, look for the option labeled Fill in Form Fields. Depending on your interface, this may also appear as Fill in Sign in the toolbar or under the Tools area. Select it to switch Acrobat into a mode designed for adding marks, symbols, and simple form entries. When this mode is active, you'll notice a compact toolbar that includes common symbols. Choose the check symbol from that toolbar. It typically looks like a simple checkmark icon. Clicking it tells Acrobat that you want to place a check as a standalone symbol rather than typing text. If you don't immediately see it, expand the available options in the Fill in Form Fields toolbar. It's often grouped with other quick symbols used on forms. With the check symbol selected, move your cursor over the document and click exactly where you want the check mark to appear. Acrobat will place the mark at that spot. If it's a little off, drag it into position. You can also adjust the size by selecting the mark and using the on-screen handles, and in many versions, a small style panel lets you refine the color or weight so it stands out clearly without overpowering the form. A few quick tips as you place checks: zoom in for pixel perfect placement, use the arrow keys for tiny nudges after selecting the mark, and duplicate an existing check if you need several that match in size and style. If you make a mistake, simply select the check mark and delete it, then try again. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF, switch to Fill in Form Fields, pick the check symbol, and click to place it exactly where you need it.